iterating within an array, right? So here they're using what? While, then do while, then for each. These are the four conditional statements we are going to use in an array to iterate. Okay, first we start with while loop. Okay, first we start with while loop. Okay, I'll just remove these things. Right. So multi-dimensional associative means how we're going to use the arrays here. Okay, iterating arrays. Right. So for iterating an array, what we have to do? First we have to initialize. First we have to define that array. Right. First we have to initialize that array. So $ARR equals array keyword. Right. Then I'm using like some values here, assigning some values. That is numeric I'm assigning. So JavaScript and Adobe, right? So these are some of the values I have taken here, right? Semicolon. Then I want to iterate these values. Okay, I want to iterate. Iterate means I want to display all this value in my browser. Okay, Java, JavaScript, Adobe, everything I want to display in my browser. How to display? Because the echo statement is going to display only one value, because there we are going to assign what index value. What index value you are giving, that particular value is going to be displayed where at the browser. But I want to display all these values now. Okay, I want to display all this value. Okay, to display all this value, we have to use some conditional statements. Some iteration has to be done with this array value. Okay, how to do the iteration? First, we are going to do the iteration with the help of while loop, right? While loop, first initialization I equal to 0, right? It takes the index value, 0th value, right? Then while keyword, then dollar condition we have to use, $I less than count. Okay, it's going to count how many values it has to display in the browser. It will count 1, 2, 3. It will count the value here, right? Count of what the value we are given under this variable. So while $I, this is the value 0, is less than count. How many times it should do the iteration? 1, 2, 3. Okay, it should do 3 iterations here. Okay, that count it's going to take from this variable $ARR. Okay, open this. After, if the iteration is satisfied, it is true, then one statement should be executed, right? One statement should be displayed there. That is echo $ARR, right? We have to use the index value here. What index value? It is the $I value. Okay, 0th Java. Okay, it will display. JavaScript, this will display. Adobe, it will display. I will explain that one. Okay, $I dot break. Okay, why break? After displaying Java, those do line will be created. Right, so increment the value, then close the while loop. Right, so it will take the value as 0. Count of $array means here it will take the count 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the count. Okay, 0 is less than. Okay, here 0th count, first count and second count, right? So whether is 0 is less than 1, yes, it is true. 0 is less than 1, right? So then array of $I. $I value is what? Here 0. 0th value what we have in the index Java, that will display. Then it will increment. Okay, I is equal to 1 now. 1 is less than 1. So 1 is less than, it will be incremented, right? Next question. And now I is less than 2. Yes, condition is true. It will take here again increment. It will increment the value and it will check again. It will increment. Then at last here we'll get 3 is less than 2. That is condition is false. So there that loop will be not executed. Okay. Go to program your localhost okay, array is correct, I is 0 is correct, while $I less than count of $ARR is correct. Okay, then echo $ARR when $I dot break increment, everything is correct now.
So it is giving error in line 8, I plus plus.
Yes, and okay, fine, fine, fine. So here we have to give the variable, right? Dollar variable here. So because all the variables are queuing with help of dollar, right? I plus plus means dollar, right? So it has been displayed. All these three values is displayed there, right? This has been displayed like that, right? This is how we're going to iterate the array by using the while loop. Okay, the same thing, right? So for do while loop, for do while loop, the statement will like the this statement will like quite changes, right? So this will be where your do keyword all remains the same, just I want to replace this value, right? So here, correct. So first I equal to 0, one value it will display, then it will check the condition, right? The condition again 0 is less than 1, the same condition, okay, as it is were there in the previous while do, right? While program, the same thing, but we get all the same result. Okay, I will for difference I will write one more value in the program. Okay, I will add one more value in the array there. Save, you got the value, right? So same thing, while and do while both work the same, right? Only difference is that in do while the first statement will execute it, then it will check the condition. But in while it will first check the condition, then the statement will execute it. That is what the do while, right? So for statement, I will cut all these things. Okay, control X, will paste here, control V. Same, I'm not changing anything here, right? Just a statement I'm changing, right? For keyword, then in for first always with the initialization, first step, correct? Next condition, condition, then increment. Okay. Initialization, condition, then increment, then the execution. The execution. Fine. How will execute? We'll get the same result, right? You're getting the same result. Okay, for difference, I'm adding one more value like pH, right? So it should display the value there. Got the value like pH, right? So now this is what we are given. We have iterated what a numeric value, right? Numeric array value, correct? So what if we want to use the same thing in where in the associative array? Well, in associative array, quite difference will be there, right? In associative array, see, associative array in iteration you don't have in the syllabus, but you should know, right, how the associative array is also used in the iteration, right? So for I will just remove this part. Okay, iterating by using associative array. Iterating the associative. Okay, associative array. Right. So first difference is what here. This part means how we have to assign the value here, right? So equals, give some value like 100 for Java, random values I'm giving. So here 200. This is how we are going to assign the define the associative array, right? So 300, 400, and this I am reporting. Okay. Now how to iterate? Okay, as normally, right, where what we have done in the numeric array, okay, like that we are not able to do it. We're not able to iterate here, because here we have to use one keyword called, here we have to use one keyword called array key, array keys. Okay, because by using these array keys, we are using these keys, we are going to iterate, because earlier what we are trying to do, by using this key value, we are retrieving this value. By using this key, we are going to retrieving this value. But here we are having so many keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 keys are there, and where different values are there. Here we want to retrieve all 4 keys values, and we want to display there, where in the browser. Okay, to do that we are using this array keys. This is a keyword we have to use. Okay, wherever you're trying to retrieve this associative array, trying to iterating this associative array. Okay, in any condition, whether it is while or it is do while, it is in for loop, anywhere, but this array key you should use, this keyword you should use, because what it will do, it will take all the keys values. Okay, it will take all the key value and load those key value in one variable. Okay, I give you variable like b. Okay, it will load all these key values and these keys in the one variable. Okay, what variable, what we are given here? Yes, here it is variable like b. Okay, which arrays, that is which variable is there? This variables. Right. So I'll explain here. Array key, this is the keyword. This is the keyword used to get the keys of the array. Okay, it will take Java, JavaScript, Adobe, HTML. Right. These are all where it is there in the variable $arr. After taking these values, it will load in the variable b. Right. So then what we have to do with this variable b? We will see that one. Right. So I'm using the while loop. Right. So $I equals 0, then while condition, while dollar, right, I less than count. Here, other what we are doing there, count of, we are giving the this variable name, but now we have to give the this variable name, $b, $b, because we are going to iterate with the help of these key values. Earlier we were iterating with the help of index value. Now we are iterating with the help of this key value. All the key values are there in the variable $b. So in the condition we have to give this $b. Okay, open echo $arr. So then you are this value you are displaying 100, 200, right? So it is there in the ARR, right? $arr. Right. So keys are there in the $b, and the $I, incremented value here, right? $I. Okay. So ARR in this row we got these values. These values are there, right? But these key values we have there at the B, right? So then I value. So 0th value is what? 100. Then first value is what? 200. Then third value is what? 300. Then fourth value is 400. Right? That value it should display. So that is the reason $I. Right? So dot pick to create a new line. So increment I plus plus, then close the loop. Okay, I will save this program. You can get, right, you can see 100, 200, 300, 400, all these values we have got, right? 100, 200, 300, 400. Only thing is that in difference between those numeric and associate, here if you are using associate, you have to use what? Array key as the keyword. Okay, and all those values you have to store where at the one variable.